Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to add links on our Facebook story. Let's get started. Firstly, we can go ahead and log into our Facebook account. So once we are here, we can go ahead and click create story. So just like for example like that. And we are just going to choose any photo or video that we want to feature. So we can choose this as our example. And if we are going to click our sticker icon, if you notice, we still don't have the option to add links on our Facebook story. What we have here is we have that tag, we have the location, and so on. So if you wish that we are going to add link, then what we can do is to simply add text. So just like for example this one, and we are just going to input the link that we wish to add. So just like for example this one, and we are going to click done there. So by this time, we can go ahead and resize this and try to reposition this one to the area that is suitable. So just like for example, like that. So once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click share. But if in case that you wish that your audience will just simply click that particular link, then what we can do is to create a story on our Instagram and link that one to our Facebook account. So just like for example, if we're going to go to our Instagram and then we are going to create a story. So we're going to click this and we are going to choose this photo again. And by this time, we're going to click the sticker icon, and on Instagram, we have here the link. So we're just going to paste the link that we have. So just like for example, like that, and we're going to click done. So if you notice, we have here the link. Then we're just going to resize this one, and we're going to reposition. So once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click this icon. And once we are routed on this part, we're going to click this so that this particular post will also be added on our Facebook story. And right after that, we're going to click share. And of course, done then. So basically, this Instagram story is also reflected on our Facebook story. So there you have it. That's how we are going to add links on our Facebook story. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.